Hey guys, welcome to Foundations. Okay, so for our review warm-up time today, we are going to keep working with digraphs. So yesterday we practiced reading words. Sorry, I'm just getting all my materials here. Yesterday we practiced reading words that had a digraph in them. So we're going to kind of do the same today, but then we're also going to practice writing words that have a digraph. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first let's practice reading words with a digraph. So let me see here. And yesterday we did pretty good. I'm not going to go through, we're not going to read all the digraphs because yesterday we did a good job. So let me see. Okay. Okay, and this one, there we go. Okay, so this one's a fun one because we have two digraphs. We have a digraph at the beginning and at the end. So remember, when we mark up our digraphs, we're going to draw a line. Now, we are not going to waste any time tapping out the word. So we're going to look at the word. We're going to start at the beginning and let's just read it. Read it with me. Here we go. Thick, thick. Thick. This is the word thick. Great job. So again, I'm just modeling for you how you can blend your sounds without tapping out, because at this point in first grade, it is important that you do know how to do that, where you can blend your sounds and read words without having to tap them out. And remember, to blend sounds, that means you're saying the sounds without stopping. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so again, we have our digraph at the beginning. I'm going to underline it. This is an SH, so we just need to remember it says shh. Okay, let's go. Let's read without tapping. Ready? Shag, shag, shag. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to change modes real quick. So for Seesaw, you are going to practice reading some words with digraphs without tapping out. But I also, because the other important part of this is that we are able to spell words and to write words, okay? Because when we are writing, it's important that we're kind of using the same strategies we have to sound out our words. We use them to write words. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to say a word, and I think I'll probably write it on this. Okay, so I'm going to say a word. Now, if you have something at home to write on, go ahead and grab like a piece of paper or a pencil. If you have a whiteboard, dry erase marker, go ahead and grab something to write with and write on, because you can practice making these words with me at home. Okay, so I will hit pause, or you can hit pause on your screen, go get something to write with, and then hurry back. Okay, so let's get started. So the first word we're going to write, let's write the word mop. Okay, everybody say that word with me, mop. Now, I'm writing here. Now, here's what it's important. When we are writing the word, we're still saying the sounds that we hear. The only difference is that we're writing them as we say them. So let's say the word all together, mop. You guys write it. I'm going to write it. Mop. Okay, and show me your word. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to check ourselves. So now we're going to read the word to make sure we got it correct. So the word was mop. This is what I wrote. Let's check it. Now at home, you check your own word. Let's check it. Here we go. Mop, mop. Did I get all the sounds? I did, and I hope you guys did at home too. Let's do another one. If you don't have an eraser, that's fine. Just find a different space to write on. Okay. Ooh, let's try a nonsense word. So let's do the word lunk. That one's tricky. Lunk. Say it with me. Lunk. Let's write it. Lunk. Lunk. Okay, show me what you wrote. This one was tricky. We had a glued sound pattern. Let's check our work. So put your finger under the word. Let's read it. Lunk. Lunk. Did I get it right? I did. Hopefully you guys did at home too. Let's do another one. Let's do the word kicks. Oh, this is tricky. Let's say it. Kicks. Kicks. Okay. Write the word kicks. Kicks. All right, let's show each other our words. This is what I got. So I wrote this word because I wrote the sounds that I hear, but now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look right, but let me check it. Kicks. Okay, so kicks. I found a mistake. When I say the word kicks, I wrote the letter Z instead of an S. Okay, so that is my mistake. Actually, I'm going to leave this here. We're going to do this. I'm going to show you guys how. So that's my mistake. So I'm going to rewrite it. Kicks. S. So now I'm looking at it. And all of a sudden, I'm remembering that what my teacher told me yesterday about the digraph CK. CK comes after a short vowel sound in a word. So I'm looking at this I, and I can see that I have a short vowel sound, I, and I have the C, but what letter is missing? The K, because there's actually a digraph that should go in that word. So I'm going to mark this out again, and I'm going to write it. K, I, K, S. Okay. Now let's read the word and see if I got it right. Kicks. Did I get it? Kicks. I did get it. I'm going to mark up this word because I have a glued, is this a glued sound? No, sorry. I have a digraph and a suffix S, which means I also have a base word. So kick is my base word, and then when I add that suffix S, it turns to kicks. Okay, so if you wrote the word kicks and you didn't write it like this, go ahead and fix your work at home for me. Alrighty, so I'm going to stop this lesson right there because you're going to have some time to practice these skills in Seesaw, where you're going to be reading words to me. And in the dictation today, I really need you to pay attention to the word that I give you so that and make sure you're writing the correct sounds. Okay, guys, bye. Thanks for watching.